Hey guys, it's February 4th, 2021. Let's take a look at what happened to CleanSpark today. So, looks like there was quite a bit of a sell off today at opening bell. Looks like everybody, a lot of people, let's say maybe 50% of people out there, cashed in, took their profits, and left the stock to recover throughout most of the day. I think it's recovered pretty nicely considering how far down we were, and we're kind of riding these GAN lines and reacting to support. So let's go in a little deeper. So we can see we were riding along this GAN angle. It's almost the end of post market, and price has been driven down a little bit from I guess the ones who want to take profits before tomorrow. We are seeing lower highs, but higher lows. So let's see if there's a consolidation. It seems like what will happen is we'll get up here, and hopefully with some volume in tomorrow, we'll move into getting through this area and hopefully hopping up onto back onto this can angle, then possibly rising up. But we'll see how that goes. Currently, I do not see any new news, and the order flow looks like what is expected. Um, a little bit off the top, considering from where we started. We were down here. We started there, so a little bit more on the negative, but I think, not really of any consequence. Other than that, what else can we see? On the 5-minute time scale, good positive is the 500, the 550 MA has crossed the 200, so it's a very good sign. Usually in like larger time frames, that is a signal for a golden cross. So we are experiencing a golden cross item in the 5 minutes since yesterday's opening. So let's see if it has a good positive effect on the view of the stock tomorrow. So hopefully we'll finish the whole week green and probably hopefully much higher, break up into the larger space area, because we have been kind of peaking up, coming down, and people taking their profits and then coming back and peaking up. So if we get some of the push tomorrow, I think there will be a pretty good push, especially if there's going to be some catalyst or that type of news, maybe even starting next week. All right, other than that, let's see, daily time frame. We are looking to be a little higher. So we've been kind of pushing up slowly higher. Hopefully tomorrow we'll, like I say, maybe push up a little higher. Let's take a look at the MACD. So the MACD looked like it's going the way we want it to. It's starting to close in on the signal. And then the RSI is in fair value, around 55. So what I'm trying to do is put a lot less indicators in here at one time, so it's a lot easier to see. But we'll go back down to the 1 hour. So 57 is pretty fair on the RSI, and the MACD is, it's kind of tapering. So it's looking like it is getting a little smaller by each one, but not too much. So we'll see if we get that up push. So well, even then, I think even in the time that we were talking, maybe it has gone up a little bit. So we're back on this up right here. So yep, that's about it. So let's hope for I'll get some more volume and push this things up higher. All right, guys. As usual, I'm not a professional advisor or analyst or any of that nature. Just sharing my thoughts on how I would trade the stock. All right, guys. Have a good night.